So friends, to solve this expression, we follow the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says bracket, orders, parts and roots, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Simplify the numerator part first. So, expression of the numerator part is 4 plus 4 multiply 18 minus 6 and then minus 8. Now, first we multiplication part solve. First solve 4 into 18. Now you can use the trick. Think of it as 4 multiply 20 minus 2. So simply 4 into 20 80 and 4 into 2 8. Now we'll subtract and we'll get the answer 72. Now expression becomes is 4 plus 72 minus 6 minus 8. Now first come to addition and then after subtraction. So addition 472, we'll add it, 4 plus 72 will get 76, and after subtraction we'll get 76 minus 6 minus 8. So simply 76 minus 6 is 70 minus 8 equals to 62. So the numerator part we got the answer as 62. Now the step second, simplify the denominator. Now the denominator expression 123 multiply 6 minus 146 multiply by 5. Now first we multiply. First multiply 123 and then multiply by 6. Now we can use property, distributive property, break it down. So 100 multiply by 6 plus 20 multiply by 6 then plus 3 multiply by 6. Now add the values after multiplying 600 plus 120 and plus 18. After adding you will get 738. Now the second multiplication is 146 multiplied by 5. Now there is a trick, multiply by 5. To multiply by 5, simply half of 146 and add a 0, multiply by 10. So half of a 146 is 73 and then multiply by simply 10. You will get 730. So now 738 will subtract the value 738 minus 730 equals to 8. Now final division. Now divide the result of the numerator by the denominator. So we got the 62 as a numerator part and denominator we got 8. Now simply the fraction by dividing both the numbers by 2 and to divide by 4 and half of the number twice you can do, or simply you can divide as per your convenience, like 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 1s 7.75. So based on the calculation, the correct option is D is the correct answer, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.